Good morning, Miss Kathy.
And welcome to Kathy's ABCs of Real Estate. Today, P is for prepare and for prize winners. And I'm here with Teresita, who's my housekeeper. She's cleaning the home of one of the prize winners of my contest. And she loves this. I just want to find out, why does she do it? Tell me.
I just like to clean houses for customers, meet people, and I just love it. I love my work.
Well, you do such a great job. So thank you so much for being part of this, and I want to go inside and check with the homeowners and see how they feel. So tell me, Teresita, you're almost done working here. Lou, you are one of my prize winners. What do you think of her work in her house cleaning?
Carol and I are so excited that she's been able to come here and help us with our house. And thanks to Kathy, we were the winners. And we're even more of a winner having you here clean our house. And we're very excited about everything that Kathy's done for us and you've done for us.
Oh, thank you so
Well,
much.
Thank you so much. It makes me really happy to see you so pleased. And maybe we'll enter again next year.
Yay!
Well, spring has sprung and summer is coming, and I'm here today with my window washer, Matt Beebe. He's a member of my team that provides the service to make your home sparkle. Matt, tell me why you love the work you do. I know it's not easy.
Well, I get to work outside. I meet a lot of nice people, and it's satisfying work to see the end product of just making the house look really nice.
You know, I really appreciate your exceptional service. And as a thank you for all the homes you've helped me prepare to sell, I ran a contest for free window washing for my clients last month. So I'm going to introduce them next, and thank you so much again for doing such great work.
Thank you, Kathy.
And now, here are one of my winners, Ron and Ruth. How does it feel to have sparkling clean windows?
Excellent. Perfect. Thank you.
Better than ever.
And I'm so happy to see you excited. Thank you for participating and allowing me to film you. Would you use Matt again?
Definitely.
Yes.
I asked for his business card before he left.
Okay, I really appreciate it. We'll see you around the neighborhood. Bye.